Okay, you must be angry right now because BBIG should been squeezing at the moment with the short interest, with the CTB level at the roof, but the price continued to go down. Why is that? Because the fundamental at the moment for BBIG doesn't work because there's manipulation, man. There's a manipulation. There's a dark pool. It's not right. So we have to do something different. All the traders, all YouTubers talk about PR doing this. The news about like the merger doesn't work. We have to change our strategy. Our strategy, we're gonna talk about something different, which is technical level that will confirm or verify BBIG and Tide going higher, and we have genuine buying pressure. This is the most critical thing for any trader, professional trader, who look for when they put money on the table. They put money when there is a real volume, not fundamental news. Yes, fundamental news will aid the volatility, however, is not the ignition. So we're gonna talk about the ignition price level for BBIG and Tide at the moment and go straight to the point for both of them. So let's check BBIG first, then we go to Tide. Look what's going on. We have most important level that we have to overcome at the moment for BBIG that we broke now. We don't have a support. This is the crazy thing. For the technical, we should have a support above the 0.8387. Guess what happened? We have a green candle and we have a wick and we tested the gap and closed below. What's that mean? Here, it means there's a mini short interest for BBIG triggered the moment when we barcoding here around the $1. So this is kind of manipulation one-on-one. Then the price went down. Then there's a buying pressure from retail traders, me and you buying. Then the price go up. Then it didn't hold because why? There's more selling than buying. This is normal. Then the price closed below. The moment that I saw the price close below this support, this is a signal for weakness. So when we have to confirm that the price of BBIG will squeeze and going higher and genuine buying pressure, because a lot of people got cut in buying here, then buying, they think that the price will squeeze. No, man, we have to test the market makers, the short. They test the market before they put their money. However, the retail trader, they buying, fake out, the price went down, and people, even they buying, there is more selling than buying. So for my opinion, at the moment, we want have one trigger, not the squeeze price, because we already went down heavily for BBIG. For my opinion, we have to focus on one thing only, which is the pre-signaling for squeeze. A lot of people talking about the squeeze. Here we talk about pre-signaling. We're gonna go to the Tide in a bit, okay? The technical price for BBIG that will confirm there is a big well loading up and the price will squeeze over the $1 is here. We already tested the 0.8387. Before we talked about the $1.32, we never overcome it because we already have a lowered resistance. So at the moment we have updated resistance for BBIG is the 0.8387. So what we should expect, we want to have this reaction. We have to go up again, but instead of this wick, we need a green candle closing here. This would be the pre-signaling for BBIG gaining ground. Will go next to test the $1, then the $1.32, for my opinion, will be the start for a squeeze for BBIG. Let's go to Tide, because a lot of people who bought BBIG bought Tide as well. For Tide, look what's going on. We have lowered resistance from the $1.63. We already tested before. A lot of people got cut buying here. Then the price went down, as we said in BBIG scenario, that the market maker just test the price. If we don't hold above this resistance, they short it. That's why the price went down. Now we have a critical level for Tide, will show us the pre-signaling and the price will continue to go higher. For my opinion, Tide is more stronger than BBIG because we still have like holding this gain that we did since the 27th of July. And we still have kind of support around above the $1. So yeah, Tide doing a bit better from BBIG. So we have the $1 for Tide. So let me bring my arrow. If we continue to consolidate here, the next breakout above the $1.21 and holding, we're gonna have a genuine buying pressure and overcome the $1.63, and the squeeze will start for Tide, for my opinion, around the $2.13. Hopefully that was clear and informative. We're gonna do update for BBIG and Tide, so hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update. And if you don't like the video, dislike it, do something. I want to learn from you guys. So if I did something wrong, or if you don't like something, just say it. Comment down comment section below if you don't like what I said about BBIG, if I'm wrong. If you have a different strategy or different point of view, please let me know in comment section below. We want to grow together and learn together. Of me doing this video, I want to grow, I want to learn, and again learn something from you and teach you something in return. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next video.